Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Leah Lose Pounds, and I am coming at y'all today with a waist bead tutorial that only costs $2. So when I was in Dollar Tree, I picked up so much stuff. Y'all, I really got like $12 worth of stuff. I got 3 packs of the beads itself, the like little glass beads, all in pink. And then I got scissors. I got needle and thread, like a sewing kit. And I also got this, what is this called? This stretch lace that I actually did not need. The only thing I needed was the sewing kit and the beads. So with that being said, with the sewing kit and the beads, it only came up to $2. I did buy the scissors, but if you have scissors at home like most people do, then you can just go ahead and use those. I honestly thought I was going to need that lace, so yeah. So here you're going to see me actually just like threading the needle. And I really just threaded the needle and made sure that it was 2. I put it in the center and then I like tied it. And then I just put the beads on the string. Yeah, I put a whole bunch of it in there. Dollar Tree had a lot of different options. And yeah, so you can make different ones. I seen those glow in the dark beads and I was thinking about doing those. Just because I like to go to like a lot of like parties at night and stuff like that. And I wear crop tops, y'all. I do not care. I let it out. So these beads sit above my stomach. They kind of move though. That I make sure to make them loose because I'm a bigger girl. So my stomach, when I stand up, it hangs. But when I sit down, it kind of like sits on my lap. So I made sure to make the waist beads big enough that it will fit and move around and it won't pop. But yeah, so this is a tutorial for a $2 waist bead, y'all. If you like it, then like, comment, subscribe, share it. I hope this helps somebody out because these are like everywhere and they're so expensive. So I chose pink because I like pink and everybody Dollar Tree is different. So y'all have at it. Y'all have some fun. I did end up beading a lot extra beads that I did not need. I only needed 1 pack, y'all. I only needed 1 pack of beads, and I'm a big girl. But, y'all, I only needed 1 pack of beads. 1 pack of beads. So, y'all, don't do like I do. Like, I thought I was way bigger than what I am. I was going to need more supplies. I do not. I only need 1 pack and 1 thing. So, 1 needle and thread.